If you're facing issue where After Effects, whether 2026 or earlier version, is not playing in the preview monitor, then here are 3 easy fixes which works 100%. See here, the preview playback is not working. It plays for a seconds and then stuck. Or in your case, it may not be playing at all. Here is fix number 1. Just go to Edit, then Purge, and then purge all memory and disk cache. Here is fix number 2. Go to Composition Setting, select Tab 3D Renderer and choose Classic 3D from the renderer. Here is fix number 3. Go to Edit, then Preference, and then Audio Hardware. Now from Device class, choose MME. And from Default Output, make sure your default speakers are selected or headphone if you have connected one. After this, press OK, and it will solve playback issue. If this helps, then please share the video to help others. Or if it does not work for you, then let me know in the comments. I will try to help you out. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video. Till then, keep editing and unleash the creative in you.